Maybe you've been married for a couple of years, but your partner is always maltreating you. Your partner is always moving from one man or one woman to the other, and you want the person to love you, pay attention to only you, and do as you say. You want your wish to be your partner's command, then this direction is meant for you. A lot of great testimonies are coming out of this remedy. So if today is your first time watching me, I would like you to follow me, like the video, and share to others. I'm telling you, a lot of great testimonies are coming out. That's why if today is your first time, you can just go into my account and read people's testimony. Maybe your partner is always maltreating you. Your partner is always moving from one man or one woman to the other, and you want the person to stay with only you, be your own forever till death. Then this direction is meant for you. Don't just pass by. This leaf that you are seeing over here, this is what we call the sodium apple leaf. Yes, this is what we call the sodium apple leaf. Yes, you go and plug one of these leaves. After plugging these leaves, you write your partner's name in it, like I have written the Esther. After writing the name in it like this, you just sprinkle small sugar on the name. The main reason why you are using sugar is because you want the relationship to be sweet as sugar. Nobody can even separate both of you. Only death and God, I'm telling you. It's very powerful. This remedy I'm teaching is very powerful. This is what we call the instant justice remedy. I'm telling you. After sprinkling the sugar on it like this, you just fold it like this. Look at how I'm folding it. This is one. Look how I'm folding it. You fold it like this. Then you refold it like this, and another like this. Once you've done it with this is a cola nut. Yes, you put the name on it like this. Then you put one cola nut at the back, one at the front like this. Then you just go along with 3 pieces of broom. So whilst the cola is on it, you just mention the person's name, then you pin it. So I'll say, Esther, from today going, maybe Emmanuel, I want you to love me like never before. I want my wish to be your command. I don't want you to live a day without even hearing from me. Yes, I want you to love me. I want you to love me like never before. I want you to love me like never before. I want to be the only lover in your life. Before me, there shouldn't be any other man. Before me, there shouldn't be any other person. Just pin it like this. After you pin it like this is what you're going to do. You are going to bury this. You are going to bury this at cemetery. Listen, you are going to bury this at cemetery around 11:30 p.m. evening time. You are going to dig a hole there and you bury it. I'm telling you, less than 3 days, wherever the partner is, if the person have even cheated on you, if the person have left your whole life and you want the person back, less than 3 days, you're going to get the person back. I'm telling you,